Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the BetterMe fitness app, a popular fitness app that promises personalized workouts, meal plans, and more. Let's check it out. So, BetterMe is designed to help you reach your fitness goals whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or just get healthier. When you first sign up, it asks you to fill out a quick questionnaire to tailor the experience to your needs. It gives you personalized workout plans, meal suggestions, and even track your progress. The app covers everything from home workouts to gym routines. There are also specialized programs like yoga, stretching, and even mental wellness activities. It's perfect for beginners, but there are options for all fitness levels. Now, let's talk about the user experience. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. You can track your workouts, log meals, and even measure your progress with photos and stats. The app also gives you reminders to stay on track, which is great if you need to forget your workouts. Let's break it down with the pros and cons. The pros are super customizable. The app tailors everything to your personal goals. Tons of workout options, whether you have equipment or prefer bodyweight exercise. You can track your meals and calories, helping you stay on top of your diet. The cons are some advanced features require a subscription, which might be a deal breaker for some. Occasionally, the app can feel repetitive with certain workouts, but that's something to consider depending on how often you use it. Overall, I think the Better Me app is a solid choice if you're looking for a flexible fitness app with personalized option. It's easy to use, helps you stay consistent, and can fit into pretty much anyone's lifestyle. If you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, I would say give it a try. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.